Hello, my future champions. As you prepare for ANTHE, I want to share something with you. This exam is not just about availing a scholarship. It's about discovering your true potential and taking that big step towards becoming a doctor or an engineer. Success never happens overnight. A batter does not hit boundaries without analyzing each ball. A scientist does not solve problems without testing countless ideas. Progress comes from staying focused, learning from mistakes, and refusing to give up. At Aakash, we have seen how this mindset changes lives. In NEET UG 2025, 5 of our students secured AAR in top 10, 35 in top 100. In JEE Advanced 2025, 29 of our students secured a place in top 100. These results are the proof that hard work, right guidance and right opportunities makes all the difference. And ANTHE is where this journey begins. Every question you solve in ANTHE is more than just marks on a sheet. It is a practice in problem solving, in building the mindset that will help you not just crack NEET or JEE, but also succeed in life. You have already worked very hard to reach here. Now it's time to stay calm, back yourself and give it your best shot. All the very best for ANTHE. Go ahead and prove that you are not just an exam taker, you are a future problem solver and a leader.